Hey guys, in this tutorial we will learn how to use a database and show a list of tables in the database. So this tutorial is for beginners and this is an entry point if you are learning MySQL. So let's understand how to use a database by example. So let's close this one, and first we need to log into our MySQL. So for that we need to go to this PC, go to C drive, go to XAMPP, and here is a MySQL. Okay, all the things I have taught you how to log into MySQL. You didn't see, you can check out my previous video where I have taught you how to log into MySQL. So let's go to bean one more time. I'll teach you. Okay, and here we need to have a cmd command prompt. So to connect MySQL, for that we need to type MySQL and -u for username, and username is root, and -p for password, and hit enter. So it will ask you a password. So my password is blank. I will hit enter because this is empty. Okay, so let's hit enter. So now I have a connected, I will logged in to MySQL. Now we will check, okay, the list of databases in MySQL. For that we need to type show data basis and semicolon. So this command, this query will show a list of databases in MySQL. So let's hit enter, and it's saying you have a CI tutorial, and you have a MySQL tutorial, you have a PHP Ajax tutorial, you have a PHP tutorial, you have a Rat4j tutorial. This is a list of your MySQL database. Okay, and if you want to use one of them, so let me use this one, MySQL tutorial. So you have to type this query use. Okay, use, because we want to use, we want to select this database. Okay, so you have to type use and then database name, and our database name is MySQL tutorial. Okay, and this name is exactly same as this name. Okay, and let's hit enter. Okay, so database changed because we have a write this query use MySQL tutorial, and we have a change that database. So now we are currently in this database. Okay, so let's see, we want to check a list of tables inside this database. Okay, so for that we need to type show tables and semicolon and hit enter. So it says you have a one table which is users inside this database. Okay, so pretty much we have understood how to use and show the tables, and show the list of tables, and show the list of databases. So this queries is very useful, okay, if you are learning MySQL. Okay, so in the next part we will select a data of this table. Okay, we can check how many fields, list of fields inside this table. We can select a particular field, we can select all the data from this users table. Okay, so pretty much we have it done. If you have any questions and doubt, you can ask me in the comment box, and if you like, please give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So thanks for watching once again. Bye bye.